Yo friends and followers, how are you getting on? I have been obviously not about for a long time now, but we're getting back to it, out with the dog. Had a hell of a time going on at the moment in personal life and what have you, but you don't really need to know all about that. But what I do need to know is I now have a website coming out, which you'll see a sneaky bit on this video. This is kind of the painting I did for the website, and then realised I can add so much more to it. So, but yeah, let's get to it and let's go check out what I was up to. We're back. Day 2 on what I'm classing as my homepage to my website piece. So it's cool. It's coming together. When you check my website out at some point, you'll see this up. Sick. So yeah, go on Google, type in flippadipperart.com and it will come up with this. Yeah, blur that out because you're not supposed to see that just yet, because that's the beginning of the video. But so this is my homepage. You got your story, you got your about, you got your journey, you got your donate here, contact, login, got everything. Got some stuff about me and different things. You may all know that. Got my journey, and it's not all of my journey. It's just kind of my highlights, kind of stuff I was really proud of and impressed by. And yeah, got the donate thing. Could help me out, like doing all this. Yeah, contact me if you want any pieces done, or if you got a place that's like near me and it's your own building or wall away, you just want some fresh art up there. Get in touch. So yeah, that was my website, that's my video. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Plenty more coming up. I've got my first commission, a second commission. I'm a little bit behind on filming these, so bear with, but I'm getting back to it and we're gonna rock this. And I will see you guys all in the next one, and enjoy the montage that's now coming. So, lates!